In this video, I'm going to show you how we can find hidden directory of a website using the tool in Kali Linux known as DirBuster. So when we generally open a website, we don't know what kind of file it contains. We just see the home page or the links, but we can find the hidden directories. So directory structure of a website, because as a pen tester or a web application tester, or as an ethical hacker, you should know the directory structure of a website so you can find critical information where the backups are stored, where the files are stored, so that we can make a directory listing and add the web application accordingly. So you can study the source code of the website. So there is a tool in the Kali Linux known as DirBuster. This is based on Java, and you can either directly run it from the menu that Kali offers by searching for it. And before using this tool, you should know the target URL of your website. And also, we have to uh, give it a file so that it can brute force. So that you can download from the GitHub. I can show you here. I have downloaded. Just go to the downloads, and here you will find DirBuster word list master. That is available on GitHub. So you just need to download. I will show you. I have just downloaded it. So this is the link. You can search for DirBuster word list safety on Google or your favorite something, and just download this from here. Download zip and extract it in to the folder. And then after downloading, you can browse. Here is the download directory, and this is the word list master directory, and we are using Apache user enum 1.0.txt file that contain the username and the other information that the tool requires. So my setup is a local setup, and I have a Metasploitable. This is, already contains a vulnerable web server. So make sure if you are doing any kind of enumeration, you have permission. And this is my local setup. So in local setup, we can do uh, testing. But in the real world, you need to have the permission. So this tool is from OWASP, and it is included by default in Kali Linux. You don't need to download it separately. So just look at the IP address of this machine by IP space ADDR command. So I have a local IP 192.168.1.69, and just type here with HTTP. And you can also pick the file extensions. Like if your application is built on PHP, then you can find the PHP, or you can add the extension on which your website you think is running on, and then click on start button. So after you uh, start this process, so here you will find this arrow only, so type 0 here. Click on OK. Click on OK. Just for this site, if you are using real world, this extension won't happen. So as you can see that it is crawling the website. This tool is crawling the website, and here is the list view. So these are the directory that are on the web server, and these are the files. So 4 files are there in the directory, And this is the time to finish. That's 53 minutes, 57 minutes, depends on the your connection and the data on the target web server. And these are the requests that are being sent or received. Total request and the average speed is 60 requests per second, and current speed is 62 requests per second. So you can also the use the tree view like TY, and this is the response code. Like 200 is okay. It means the web page is opened successfully. And if you have a redirect that is 301 or 404 error, you can also see that you don't have permission. So if there is any kind of error, then it is listed here. So you can view the files in the browser also just by right clicking it and click on open in browser. So in browser it will open this file, and also if you can see we can also open a directory. So if you want to open the icons directory, so just click on open in browser. So it will show you where all the icons. So now it's time to save the report. Just click on stop and click on report, and you have to specify where you want to save the reports. Select the directory. I am using the and this is the report, and click on generate report. So this is the report of the web server we have scanned using this tool. So these are the response code with the directory structure. So in this way you can find a hidden directory of a website using DirBuster. Thanks for watching.